Welcome to this Easy Tech Fixit channel, and as we talk about different technologies here, one of the technologies we're going to talk about is ARM processors, but specifically here we're going to take a look, as you might recognize this. This is the Mac computer desktop, and of course with the dock at the bottom and so on. And one of the big changes coming up to this, to the Mac computer line is the fact that Apple is going to move from Intel chips to custom ARM chips that Apple makes. Specifically, they'll be running those high-powered iPad chips, iPad processors, and that will be running in the Mac PC. Now, there are a few questions that people have been asking with this. First of all of those that have been Mac users for a long time still remember and still have that hangover of PowerPC to Intel move, where a lot of apps, a lot of things stopped working, and especially when they decided to remove the compatibility, it just didn't work anymore. Now, it's going to be different with ARM because Apple did say that there is still going to be some compatibility with the apps and so on. So I guess there's going to be some kind of emulation in there. Also, it seems that not all Mac computers, at least for now, are going to be ARM processor. So there will be part of it that will be ARM, part of it that will be Intel still. So it depends on what you're going to purchase on that side. And of course, a lot of companies said that they'll have ARM-powered versions of their apps. So this is going to be interesting to see how that transition goes. And it's going to also be interesting to see what the changes it brings and how people will be happy or not about it. But the first line of these PCs will be arriving in 2021. And I think we're going to hear a lot about it. So for now, it seems that you don't have to worry too much about compatibility or anything. But we'll see as time goes by. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.